Today we're in Bolingbrook, in the middle of everything. We're not far from Boughton Road, 355, 55, 53. If you want to get somewhere on a number street, this is the place to be. There's tons to do around here, lots of shopping and great restaurants. Come and check out this 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, split level with tons of update. If you'd like a private tour of this home or any other, give us a call, shoot us a message. I'm Ruth Sheehan with the Ruth Sheehan team of eXp Realty, and I'll see you on the next video.